The fellow Espresso Series 1 marks a significant expansion in the company's lineup, stepping into the world of espresso machines with a product designed for both newcomers and experienced baristas. With a price tag of $1,500, it's positioned within the higher-end market, but offers exceptional value through its customizable features. Unlike many competitors, the Series 1 allows full control over brewing parameters, including temperature, pressure, extraction time, and steaming. When every second counts, whether you're racing daylight on a mountain trail or commuting through city chaos, you need gear that works fast and right. Enter the AirVot, a 4-in-1 tire inflator engineered for smart, high-performance inflation on the go. Compact, yet mighty. It weighs only 7.4 ounces and is built with a cordless frame that fits effortlessly in your palm, backpack, or glove box. Cyclists, bikers, campers, and ballers, this one's built for you. The Insta360 Link-to C4K webcam stands out as a premium choice for professional streaming, video calls, and gaming. Designed for both PC and Mac, it boasts a 1/2-inch sensor for exceptional clarity and detail. With 4K resolution, your broadcasts or video conferences are captured in stunning visual quality, whether you're working from home or streaming to an audience. One of its standout features is auto-framing, which intelligently adjusts the camera's position to keep you in focus even if you move. Precision meets presence in a headset smaller than your average smartphone. Big Screen Beyond reshapes what's possible in virtual reality with an engineering focus on size, comfort, and clarity. It weighs only 4.5 ounces and practically disappears when worn. Yet, it delivers a truly immersive experience through dual 1.3-inch micro OLED displays, each pumping out 2,560 by 2,560 pixels at 90 Hz. Skip the waiting game and bring gourmet dessert to your kitchen with a sleek, high-performance ice cream maker designed for instant satisfaction. In just 30 minutes, this smart compressor model churns out creamy, indulgent ice cream without any need to pre-freeze bowls or plan ahead. Whether you're feeding a family or hosting guests, it comfortably makes 6 to 10 servings per cycle, ideal for spontaneous celebrations or weekly indulgences. The Dream X50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop offers a seamless cleaning experience for modern homes. Equipped with 20,000 Pascal suction power, this device provides a thorough deep clean, efficiently picking up dust, dirt, and debris across multiple surfaces. Its advanced obstacle avoidance technology ensures smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, preventing any bumps or interruptions to its cleaning path. The Wonderblock's Smart Pollinator Observatory transforms any backyard into a vibrant hub for nature observation. This innovative device seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with environmental awareness, offering users a unique way to attract and monitor local pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. Designed to be simple yet highly effective, the observatory utilizes sensors to detect pollinator activity, providing real-time data about the species visiting your garden. Crafted from premium Italian leather, this smart wallet combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Its minimalist structure ensures it fits seamlessly into your lifestyle, offering both style and practicality. The wallet's standout feature is its RFID protection, which safeguards your sensitive information from electronic theft, providing peace of mind whether you're traveling or simply on the go. Equipped with AirTag tracking, you'll never worry about misplacing your wallet again. The Darwin MX Pro Smart Digital Microscope offers advanced technology for those seeking precise and detailed viewing. With an impressive 2,200 times magnification, this microscope allows users to explore intricate microscopic details in stunning 2K resolution. Whether you're a researcher, hobbyist, or educator, the 9-inch IPS screen delivers a crisp, clear image, making even the smallest structures visible with incredible clarity. No more bulky pockets or disorganized essentials. This refined system redefines what an everyday carry card holder should be. Crafted for precision and built with function in mind, the VMAG modular combination card holder system gives you control over how you carry, access, and use your daily tools. Whether you're navigating a busy workday or heading out for a weekend mission, this card holder adapts to your pace and needs. The PetKit Puribot Ultra is a cutting-edge self-cleaning cat litter box designed to offer convenience and hygiene. With advanced features such as AI camera technology and 5G Wi-Fi control via a phone app, it's tailored for modern pet owners. The Puribot Ultra is engineered to make waste disposal as seamless as possible, with true hands-free auto-scooping that activates with each use. Breath. Mentally Reset in Minutes is a transformative tool for anyone seeking a quick yet effective way to regain balance amidst the pressures of daily life. In just a few minutes, this simple breathing technique offers a reset for the mind, easing stress and sharpening focus. Whether you're facing a hectic day, struggling with anxiety, or simply need to regain clarity, this routine is an accessible solution, requiring no prior experience or costly equipment. Raw performance meets refined mobility in the all-new ROG XG Mobile, a compact juggernaut engineered for gamers and creators who demand more from every frame and port. Outfitted with up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU, the XG Mobile delivers jaw-dropping ray tracing, AI-powered upscaling, and next-gen acceleration for AAA games and 3D rendering alike. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. In the chaos of travel or a spontaneous moment outdoors, having a reliable tripod you can trust isn't always guaranteed, unless you've got the YogaPod. Built to be flat, durable, and astonishingly compact, the YogaPod is a refreshing reimagining of the mini tripod. Its precision-machined body tucks neatly into a bag or even a jacket pocket, ready whenever the moment calls. What makes it different? It can hold your camera vertically without needing a bulky ball head. Wind-lashed trails and soaked boots don't mean discomfort anymore. The Hedgehog Go changes the way adventurers stay dry. At just 12.3 ounces, this compact powerhouse tucks easily into any backpack, delivering pro-level drying performance wherever you are. With a blistering 105,000 RPM motor and a punchy 700 watts of output, this dual-use dryer blasts warm, focused air through your hair in under 3 minutes and restores soaked hiking boots in just 12. Even the quietest backyard can turn electric when this levitating orb takes flight. The Flynova Pro lights up the air with 3 radiant RGB colors, forming a neon trail that streaks through the night sky like a comet. Once launched, this hover orb is impossible to ignore. Lightweight at just 0.7 ounces and completely portable, it fits in a backpack or back pocket, ready for impromptu aerial stunts wherever you go. Thanks to USB charging, you're only minutes away from liftoff at any time. When creativity calls, the Artefon Corda answers with precision and power. This sleek, all-in-one instrument is more than a synth. It's a versatile tool that bridges the gap between tactile performance and digital production. With 12 ultra-responsive, touch-sensitive pads and a unique strummable bridge, it feels equally at home whether you're finger-drumming beats, playing melodies, or strumming chords like a guitar. Designed for musicians on the move, Corda features a built-in speaker and a 5-hour rechargeable battery, plus a 1/8-inch headphone jack for private sessions and a USB-C port for effortless integration with your DAW or favorite MIDI rig. For gamers who value precision, comfort, and compatibility across devices, the GameSire X5 Lite delivers performance that stays locked in even when action heats up. Just 0.30 pounds, it's lightweight without sacrificing build quality. Its ergonomic shape and laser-engraved textured grips offer comfort during extended sessions. GameSire Hall Effect sticks deliver anti-drift precision, giving players a tactical edge. Engineered for expansive living spaces, this high-capacity air purifier redefines what quiet power looks like. Outfitted with a HEPA H13 grade filtration system, it removes ultrafine particles with surgical precision, capturing allergens, pollutants, and gases. Its filtration surface is 3.8 times larger than the previous generation, delivering consistent performance for up to 5 years without replacement. Sleep well wherever you roam with the Crua Culla Hammock Wraparound V2, engineered for ultimate comfort and durability in any environment. Whether you're deep in the woods or camping on a remote beach, this 4-season hammock provides the perfect sleep experience, no matter the conditions. Crafted with top-tier materials, the Crua Culla Hammock features a double-layer construction for added insulation and support. The wraparound design fully encloses you, providing shelter from the elements while ensuring maximum warmth during chilly nights. The DJI Mic 2 redefines wireless audio with cutting-edge features tailored for creators seeking reliable, high-quality sound. Equipped with intelligent noise cancellation, this microphone ensures crystal-clear recordings even in the most challenging environments. The advanced 32-bit float internal recording allows for flawless sound capture, providing flexibility in post-production with minimal risk of clipping. Its impressive 820-foot range ensures versatility, offering plenty of freedom for both indoor and outdoor shoots. When the thrill of racing meets the precision of engineering, you get Wincible, the compact wind tunnel that transforms your desk into a testing ground for your die-cast cars. Designed for serious enthusiasts, this gadget doesn't just sit pretty beside your monitor. It brings air, speed, and science right to your fingertips. Built with a love for both model cars and real-world aerodynamics, Wincible lets you simulate airflow like an F1 team. Savor every sip with full control at your fingertips. Multiflow introduces a smarter way to hydrate without worrying about burns or messy splashes. Thanks to its intuitive dimmer system, you can fine-tune the flow to match your perfect pace. Whether you crave a bold, hearty gulp or a careful, measured sip, the graduated flow adjustment gives you precision unlike anything before. Simply twist the dial to increase or decrease the flow to your liking. It's not just about comfort, it's about protecting your mouth from unexpected scalds and spills. Unfold an immersive workspace wherever you roam with a 17.3-inch QHD 2560 by 1920 display engineered for serious clarity and color precision. The Asus ZenScreen Fold OLED is designed to eliminate compromise. Its innovative water drop hinge folds seamlessly, giving you a massive screen in a compact footprint. With display HDR 500 True Black and full 100% DCI-P 3-color coverage, every pixel brings rich contrast and lifelike tones, which is ideal for content creators, coders, and professionals demanding accuracy on the go. The ChargeUni wireless fast charger is an innovative solution for powering multiple devices simultaneously. Designed with convenience in mind, this charger allows you to charge up to 3 devices at once, making it ideal for households or offices with various smartphones, smartwatches, and wireless earbuds. Its Qi 2 compatibility ensures a fast and efficient charging experience for both Apple and Samsung devices, supporting a wide range of models. Elevate your content creation with UView, a game-changing 4-in-1 tool that turns your smartphone into a professional-grade studio. This versatile device empowers you to capture breathtaking video and perfectly framed shots, all while offering wireless charging and real-time viewing capabilities. Whether you're shooting on the go or setting up for a more elaborate shoot, UView ensures your content is always top-notch. The Pool Blaster Max Cordless Pool Vacuum redefines pool cleaning efficiency with powerful, streamlined performance. Powered by the innovative WaterTech P30 motor, this vacuum offers significantly increased suction, making debris pickup swift and thorough. Thanks to its lithium-ion battery, the Pool Blaster Max operates for up to 1 hour on a single charge, giving you the freedom to clean without constant recharging. The Samsung NZ6 900TM integrates innovation and style with a cooktop that enhances both performance and design. Offering a powerful 575M32H ventilation system, this hob captures cooking vapors and odors swiftly, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh without the need for a separate hood. This clever design allows for flexible installation, even on an island table, while keeping the air clean and crisp. In a world where communication barriers crumble and creativity flows freely, the Monoease PG2 stands as a revolution in your ears. These aren't just earbuds, they're a portable intelligence hub packed into a sleek, ergonomic design. Built with cutting-edge GPT-4o and DeepSeek R1 AI engines, the Monoease PG2 transforms your listening and speaking experience across borders and platforms. Face AI is a breakthrough in AI-driven communication, designed to transform the way you interact with technology. This sophisticated holographic assistant goes beyond simple virtual assistants, offering a seamless, multidimensional interface that combines advanced AI with lifelike projection technology. With FaceAL, productivity skyrockets as it integrates smoothly into everyday tasks, whether you're working, studying, or managing personal projects. When your household runs on battery-powered devices, wasted time and energy sorting through half-charged cells can slow everything down. That's where the Olight OStation X steps in, built not just to charge batteries, but to redefine battery management altogether. The OStation X doesn't just power up your batteries, it smartly handles them from start to finish with a seamless process. Analyze, charge, sort, and store. Thanks to its integrated superchip, it recognizes battery size, type, polarity, and health. The Kindle Scribe offers a seamless combination of digital reading and note-taking in one device, designed for those who seek a streamlined, efficient experience. With its redesigned flush front display and uniform white borders, this 10.2-inch tablet elevates both reading and writing tasks, providing a clear and smooth surface for extensive notes. Whether you are marking up documents or writing in the margins, the Active. This device includes a built-in notebook, allowing you to jot down meeting notes, to-do lists, or personal thoughts.